by the 495 here. I just can't figure out where the exit is, or the entrance to the 495 is. Whoa! I almost went off the bridge. Okay, I think this is the entrance. Unplowed, of course. So we're going to try and go around this thing here. That follows. If you can see that little pole there, that's a marker. That's the side of the road there, that pole. And there's another one on the side over there. So if we stay in between those poles, we'll be fine. Pretty wild, man, I have to admit. Pretty wild. This is the Long Island Expressway. And I'll tell you, it doesn't look like it's even plowed or nothing. It looks like everyone's going slow. 20 miles an hour at the most. And it's coming down, boy. It's what we call real busy. The Long Island Expressway. Wow. Somebody stopped in front of us and they're out of their car. What do you think? Is that like stupid or what? That's pretty stupid. On the Long Island Expressway. This is what happens on the Long Island Expressway. People get killed this way. Going out of their car, stopping in the middle of the road. You don't do that. Try to keep going if you can. And if you have to stop, pull completely off the road.